Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to discuss the types of the kinematic pairs. We have classified the kinematic pairs into three categories. First, according to the type of relative motions. Second, according to the type of context, and the third is according to the type of closure. So we will consider it one by one. First, we are going to consider according to the type of relative motions. We have classified the kinematic pairs into these five parts. So first is turning pair. Okay, see, turning pair means that is also known as pin joint, that is also known as pin joint. Okay, for example, if there is one link and there is a two link, these two links are connected by the turning pair because in the turning pair only rotation is possible. Okay, in the turning pair only rotation is possible, so we can say the relative motion is pure turning. We can write here that relative motion is what? Pure turning. Okay, because when there is a turning pair there will not be any other movement, only pure turning take place. Pure turning. Okay, it can also be known as relative joint, relative pair. Okay, sliding pair is also known as prismatic pair. It is also known as prismatic pair. What is the meaning of sliding pair? Prismatic pair. Okay, see, you can see here in the sliding pair, relative motion is pure sliding. Relative motion is pure sliding. Okay, relative motion is pure sliding. In the rolling pair, what would be there? The relative motions would be pure rolling. So I can write here that the relative motion is pure rolling. Okay, see, most of the students get be confused between the rolling pair and the sliding pair by the example of gear. See, I mean say, if I want to say that the gear having this type of pair, if two gears are meshing to each other, what type of pair they are going to make? So gear is not making pure rolling pair. The gear is not making rolling pair. They are not making sliding pair. They are making partial rolling because there is a partial rolling, and there is a partial sliding. Partial sliding. So basically in the gear, partial rolling and the partial sliding are there. It is not making rolling pair. That means there is no pure rolling motion is there. Only partial sliding and partially rolling will be there. Okay. So you need to understand. So basically screw pair, that means what is the meaning of the screw pair? When the relative motion having over the threads. So I can write here that when the relative motion is over the thread. Okay, that would be the screw pair. Now spherical pair is also known as ball in socket joint. That is example of spherical pair. Ball in socket joint. Are you getting my point? Ball in socket joint means the relative motions is three-dimensional rotation. The relative motion is three-dimensional rotation. Okay, so this is the spherical pair when relative motions is three-dimensional rotation. Okay, or you can also say that is a spherical rotation. You can also say this is spherical rotation. Spherical rotation. Okay, so this would be the first type of relative motions. Okay, that means the first type of the kinematic pair, that is according to the type of relative motions. We have classified the kinematic pair into 5 categories. The first is turning pair, second is sliding pair, rolling pair, screw pair, and the spherical pair. You must have to understand what type of relative motions is there in which type of pair. That is important. In the turning pair, pure turning is there. In the sliding pair, pure sliding is relative motion is pure sliding. In the rolling pair, pure rolling is there. Gear, in the gear, partial rolling and the partial sliding take place, not pure rolling. That gear is not making a pure rolling pair. That is partial rolling and the partial sliding is there. In the screw pair, you have seen that the rolling relative motions take place over the threads, and the spherical pair you can see rotational relative motions is three-dimensional rotation. You can also say this is the spherical rotations. So this would be the first type of kinematic pair according to the type of the relative motions. Okay, so I hope you will understand this. Thank you.